Funky D, everybody. Welcome back to Funky D, news time. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back once again. The news when I want to present today, now news when concern this guy, what they call OBJ Obasanjo, however you want put him. Will not send a message. So una know say of recent, Obasanjo go to this place where they call they travel down to Delta State, if I'm not mistaken. As he go there, the man come begin tell the world say the issue of this Boko Haram crisis and the herdsmen and ISAP or ISWAP, anyhow you want put them. All these organizations, now them be dangerous organizations, terrorist organizations when they Nigeria there. When Buhari, aka Jubri, and this guy, what they call Osebanjo them, they're not fit do them anything. Now beg that they beg terrorists. So if you they beg terrorists or you they give terrorists money, what do you expect the terrorists to continue to do? The terrorists will continue to come after you people. That's so it be, because they know say uno are weak. They know say uno they pay them money. The more you pay them, the more they want more money. The more they go they unleash mayhem. The more they go they kill people, innocent Nigerian people in that country. Since uno not agree use uno military might, they fight them. Now so then go they disturb una day in and day out una when want Buhari to be una president. Una don't see Buhari now. Now they never inaugurate the man, but everywhere don't scatter. Now Obasanjo go in travel go this place last night. Because they tell the world say the issue of the Boko Haram and the herdsmen is to Islamize not only Nigeria, the whole Africa. After they Fulanize the whole Africa, they will come Islamize and join. Now the thing when Obasanjo talk, when people like the disinformation minister, La Mohammed, all of them, they verse for Obasanjo. See, Obasanjo, now one of the people when we say, now him make Nigeria, now them want Nigeria to be one. Now, why Obasanjo, at his old age, they come out, they insult the government. Ladies and gentlemen, to Funky D, waiting Obasanjo talk in Delta State makes sense. Because the thing when Buhari and his government, including this disinformation minister, what they call La Mohammed, the thing what they want now to Islamize Nigeria. Because all these people, they are all they are all Muslims. Alright? So, but I will still go back to that Obasanjo. Because una know say this man what they call Obasanjo, I don't tell una before, not be better person. Even if say in the come out they let us know say these people they want Islamize the nation. We know that one. Waiting him when be Obasanjo to do to stop this thing. Una know say Obasanjo himself, now him bring out this man what they call Buhari. When Buhari they do all of us now, this thing when they do now, they affect everybody. That comes from that nation they call Nigeria, or that country where they call Nigeria. Now, Obasanjo now bring Buhari come out, right? Now he still bring out this article when he want to deceive us, right? So why can't be say somebody, because somebody like Obasanjo now then contribute seriously about this evil thing when they happen in that country. Obasanjo they one among them. Because him be they support this man they call Atiku Abubakar, so that Atiku Abubakar will continue to loot our money just the same way when two of them not do before, when both of them they into government. That is from 1999 to 2007. Now the same thing when Obasanjo wanted to do, that is why Obasanjo go bring Atiku Abubakar. Obasanjo will not send you message. Funky D say will not send you message. You Atiku Abubakar, this Buhari, we not know where it come from. This Bola Tinubu, When we don't know what that one, waiting that one they do when they come and say he won't do 2023. We don't know where he won't come do 2023. So all of una, when they mention their names here, na una be the problem when we get in that Nigeria. Number one person now Obasanjo. Even if they come, they tell us we don't already know all this and say now Islamization of Africa, Islamization of Nigeria. That is what Buhari and that you are involved in the game. Atiku is involved full time in the game because Atiku wanted to come and finish up where Buhari stopped. All these people, they are Muslim and they are not to be trusted. We don't want to know again. We don't want to know information. We don't want to know information. We don't just deal with no information. We they feed the decode on right now. We don't need to know. So, La Muhammad talking about being one Nigeria, and I don't think La Muhammad know what he's talking about, because if this revolution, when would they cry for, if it not work, then Nigeria got to break up. Everybody got to go his way, his or her way. Now that one, what we want. If the revolution not come before that 2023, serious revolution, when we say PDP and APC have to disappear from that nation or in that country, we don't need them again. We don't need them to contribute anything in that nation. We need new government. Brand new. Cha-cha. So, if the revolution no agree, no work out, na to divide the country so that everybody go their way. Everybody they tired of that country called Nigeria. Because of the evil things when APC and PDP they do. And now, Obasanjo won't come and won't do like say, ain't a better person. You will not be better person. Atiku Abubakar no be better person. Osibanjo no be better person. Oshomole no be better person. Bola Tinubu nah. All of una. Now, after I don't carry 2 bullion van, taxi, thief money when belong to Nigerian people, you won't come and say, you won't come and come they use that money, they oppress Nigerian people, say you won't become president. Where that one they happen? Now that one I make me they tell EFCC when they hold people when we say they're not supposed to hold. Oppression, whether they oppress innocent people in that country, innocent children, innocent youth in that country. Whereas people like Bola Tinubu, they walk out up and down every day. Then they look at, then they talk about Naira Marley. What did Naira Marley do now? We know say according to the news, say they catch Naira Marley with some people when we say with some credit cards. Whether not one or whether not two, Funky D, no. Now waiting, police and EFCC, they tell us. Why these police and EFCC, why they not go for Tinubu? Why they not go for all these big criminals? Why they not leave Naira Marley alone? Young guy when just they come up. Now, una want spoiling career. Why una not go spoil Tinubu career? Why una not go spoil Oshomole career? Why will not go spoil Okorocha career? Now when Okorocha don't come out now, when it won't come out now, una won't come they use that on oppressive EFCC they oppress Okorocha now say making come. When in day why not go after them before? Now when come be say the man get problem with APC, suddenly the man became problem to APC. Suddenly the man they begin go after the man. Now EFCC don't come out boldly in London, talk say. Then they investigate Okorocha for 8 billion. When they give Okorocha, say making do things, do some project in Imo State. They say Okorocha out of the 8 billion, Okorocha took 700 million. Confess come 200 million. Then the next one 500 million. Now the balance one. I think it's 5.2, I'll be 5.3 billion, ladies and gentlemen. 5.3 billion when remain. Now the talk see they won't carry up give the man when win election in Imo State. Emeka Ihedioha. So that thing will start from there, because according to the news, they say Okorocha don't finish the whole money that belongs to Imo State. See this money when Okorocha from collect this 700 million now from Paris Fun Club. When they give Okorocha make for take do something, Okorocha can keep him. Say he go use and do election. Now, Okorocha tenure now, very soon in some days to come, from 99 days or 8 days time, Okorocha tenure go finish. Then I don't tell Okorocha before make you wait for Shomole, wait for Jubri, wait for Sobanjo, wait for all of them, wait for EFCC. Then they come. They are coming. Nothing will stop them. And ladies and gentlemen, make I give you another tip. Why? The reason why this EFCC, Okorocha don't tell them, say, make them do their job, make them not allow pay somebody like Oshomo let them. But they not call them, but no say, now them in the talk like the Buhari them, or the Abakari them, the Kabas. Make EFCC not let Kabas use them, make them do their job, according to the way they are supposed to do their job. But anything now, when Okorocha talk now, is null and void. Null and void. Okorocha have no say in the nation again. He's no more. He's not going to be governor again, and he's not holding any position in that country. Now Okorocha they into serious problem with EFCC. Why this EFCC? No, they go for all these people when they no see, then they loot our money. Not only Okorocha, we know so Okorocha corrupt. We know say Okorocha corrupt. We no go after them. We not say we no go after them. But this one now witch hunting because I know say no Igbo man when go speak for Igbo people again in that in a federal level. That's why I see these people then they pursue Okorocha because they don't want any Igbo man in federal level again. So they don't tell Igbo people say nothing for them since they not follow vote Buhari, aka Jubri. And Mechi don't tell them, say nothing for them. And again, you get one guy, when talk say, Amechi not be Igbo. Who tell you say, Amechi not be Igbo? What is the meaning of Onyemarechi? Make you answer that meaning. You make you answer that question. You know the meaning. So now Igbo name, Amechi the beer. Even he get some public event where they don't do when Amechi come they speak Igbo. They sing music in Igbo language. What are you telling me? So now Amechi don't tell her now. Buhari, R5, when I don't carry, give a chieftaincy title in Igbo land. All of them, they don't deny when I say Igbo people, they not get level. That is why, ladies and gentlemen, when I say, then they fight Okorocha 247. Because now only Okorocha, may they try to voice out as an APC member. But now, they don't break Okorocha bone, they don't break all in wings. So Okorocha, where they go, the Kabas, don't break on wings. Now this one go show an example as Funky they tell on every time, make una stop to the follow all these Fulani people. Before they go Fulani lies on our head. And that is coming. Now, big problem for Okorocha. Now Tinubu they talk say in one comma somebody when carry bullion van. I not say what Naira Marley do na better thing. Because to carry somebody credit card is a very, very bad offense. So, but that does not worth 7 years when EFCC they talk say they won't give them 7 years. Why they won't give them 7 years? People when they commit the real crime, where then they? In fact, I know say since when they don't catch that man, what they call Evans the kidnapper. Now he kidnappers they rampart everywhere in Nigeria. It can't be like say police self they don't know their job again. But then they tell us say they don't catch the kingpin, their boss, the billionaire, blah blah blah. That's what they tell us. But now kidnapping is like it's just like a normal daily activity in Nigeria. Where are the police? Where are the FCC? People when they send them when EFCC then no say na traditional rulers. Then they send all these Boko Haram, all these kidnappers, they point people out. Why una no say na them? Why una they arrest them? Why una no they arrest these people? So make una stop to distract our attention. So the matter we get today, na matter when concern this man what they call OBJ. OBJ in talk see na Islamization, total Islamization. I'm APC people that they work for. And the Kabas. Bet your hand they inside OBJ. Because Now you bring Buhari. Now you bring Atiku. Now, I know say you and Atiku una dey very depressed for the matter. When they for ground, see Buhari knock all of una out with the military might. Now, we know see body the pepper una, now make una they come out like this. All of una na evil people. All of una na evil people. We already know see Buhari and Atiku Abubakar, they want to Islamize Nigeria. Why can't be see una when be Muslim people? I dey ask una question because we know see una when be Muslim people, una they try to force people to serve una Muhammad. Why can't be say una they force people to serve una Muhammad? Why can't be say una they try to Islamize the nation? When we say Christians are not forcing you guys to join, to follow them to go serve God. Why can't be say una want use by force? If that thing when they serve, that person when they call his name all the time, when be Muhammad. If na better thing when instant for una for not they sing that people should join, or to force people to join Islam. Because Christians, they're not the force una make una come join Christian. They're not the say if you not become Christian, then go kill you. They're not the talker. Why come BC una they try to force people? So ladies and gentlemen, this one is my question. This guy when be Obasanjo, the former president, we say we don't need you to come tell us waiting day. We already know, see, we already know every move when APC and PDP that they move. All of them are the same people. The only thing we want be say, if the revolution no waka this time, una go leave everybody alone so that everybody go their way. Since una not fit handle the situation in that country, since una not fit manage our resources, another person when they capable will take over so that they go begin manage their resources well, so that Nigerian people will be feeling good as normal human being. Now because of una, now I make people they die everywhere. Now I make Nigerian people they die everywhere in the world. Because if Nigeria they okay, nobody will come out for that country. If I thought people come out for that country, that will just do their business and come back to the nation that belongs to them. You get? So now when be APC and PDP or Obasanjo, aka Buhari or Jubri, now not be our problem. Funky D. Ladies and gentlemen, if you never subscribed before, begin subscribe right now. If you never share my video before, make sure you begin share them. Share this video. Reach Obasanjo, we not send them message. Share and reach Atiku, we not send them message. And again, if you never press that best sign when they there, make sure say you hit them one time. At any time Funky D upload, you first get my video. Funky D. Wow. Thank you everybody, and one love. See you next time. Bye.